Design Dynamics serves over 1,000 active customers. We have a wide array of customers with differing needs. At its core, we're a wide format digital printer and signage manufacturer. We have 9 employees and are serving the greater Orange County area. When we get engaged with a project, we're really helping steer that customer to the best solution. That's everything from the materials selected, to the print methods we employ, to how we finish and install. Another reason people choose Design Dynamics is because somebody failed to plan. They have an urgent need and we're able to respond to that. We respond to that through a combination of our investments in equipment and talent. This means that we can respond to somebody who has a quantity 1 to 1,000. A couple of years ago, we started to develop a bottleneck around our printing. In other words, we were finishing faster than we were printing. So that meant I needed to make another investment in printing equipment. And so I was on the market for quite a while looking at different manufacturers. I wanted another eco-solvent printer to complement the printing equipment I already had, and I wanted that to do 3 things for me. I wanted it to have speed without banding, I wanted it to have fine text capability, and I wanted to lower my ink costs. And it needed to be in a 60-inch width. I was about ready to proceed with another company's printer when I learned about the Epson SureColor series that was coming out. And as soon as I got a chance to see that machine, it really solved all 3 of the problems I was going after. When we brought that Epson S30 into our operation, it allowed us to expand our business base, service more customers, which then put more pressure on our printing, so we had to then look again at expanding our print capability. And the S50 was something we'd had our eye on because it offered even greater speed than the S30 did. And what I appreciate about the Epson SureColor series is its ability to help us go on multiple substrates. So we print a lot of adhesive-backed calendared vinyl, but we're also printing transparencies, we're printing to vinyl, we're printing to banner material, we're printing to canvas. There's a lot of different applications that we're able to do because of the versatility of the printer. So one of the features of the S50 that I didn't think we would really need is the ability to print white. I was really going after the S50 for its speed. I liked the print quality we were getting on the S30, and I knew that white was a feature. But one of the more pleasant surprises I've gotten over the last year is we've actually gotten more and more demand for clear vinyl, where we use the white. We use the white to create more pop. So we'll put the white on a little heavier, then we'll put a color over the white, and it actually creates a really dynamic look. One thing about the SureColor series that I'm very pleased with is we've actually stepped up our image quality, and people have noticed that we're producing a better image than we were before. We were an early adopter when the 6-color printers came out, and we did that because we needed to widen our color gamut. And so when I was in the market to add additional print capability to our operation, I thought I needed to go and stay in that 6-color space. And what I found was when I was introduced to the Epson SureColor series that I could actually broaden my color gamut and do it on a 4-color printer. The base advantage of 4-color versus 6-color is it goes to the 3rd objective I had, which was to lower my ink costs. One of the great advantages of the Epson SureColor series is you can get fine text without banding, and that's a big deal. And one of the things that's really important, particularly to our larger customers, is our ability to reproduce their logos and their colors in a way that is consistent from job to job, project to project. And one thing with the Epson SureColor series is it's allowed us to dial our colors in even tighter. When you compete on urgency, i.e. the ability to turn around a job quickly, you've got to have machines or equipment that you can rely on. If that printer goes down, our ability to turn that job around quickly is gone. And one thing I've always appreciated about Epson, particularly our Epson Aqueous printer, we've never had any issues with that. And I'm happy to report we've had nearly 100% uptime. In fact, the only time the printers have been down is we've had to do just your normal everyday maintenance and cleaning, which we're actually doing faster now than we were on our other printers. When you're printing full rolls, one of the challenges that you have to manage through is the ability for that roll to be consistently fed through the printer so that what you printed at the beginning of the roll matches what you print at the end of the roll. And so having a robust take up and rewind system really matters when you're die cutting and putting some real precise finishing to your printed material. There's just so much choice when it comes to media and substrate. That choice creates a lot of options for you, but you also have to be able to find the right media that you can print and finish. And one of the things that I've appreciated about our Epson SureColor printers is I haven't been limited in the media selections that I can make. I can choose a wide variety, everything from adhesive-backed vinyl through rollable substrates all the way to banner and window perps. Our total cost of ownership is better than I expected to be with our S30 and our S50. I'm really pleased with our ink expense as it relates to what I projected it to be, and then our uptime is phenomenal. We are able to keep these printers running 7 days a week. One of the things that you have to consider is the company going to be behind you, continuing to support you after the sale? And what I've appreciated about the Epson SureColor series is that we're getting great after-sale support, not only through our dealer, but also through the Epson 1-800 line. The best way to build a business is to be better today than you were yesterday with an eye to improving tomorrow. And we're better today because of the investments that we've made in our S50 and S30 printers. We are producing a higher quality print at greater speeds so that we're not only providing better quality, we're doing it more productively.